Hi guys, so a very different type of vlog video. I'm just at home, as you can see, no makeup or anything. So today I am going to film, hopefully hubby's reaction. It's a day before our anniversary and I have bought something from Louis Vuitton. I'm pretty nervous about it because I bought it sight unseen. I've never tried it. Anyway, I will show you when he unboxes it. I have no idea whether he'll like it. Yeah, we'll have to see. So yeah, I'm just at home. He's coming home early. It's a beautiful day. So let's see what he thinks. He's due home any minute now. I've left a big bag just sitting there with the box. So let's see how we go. Okay, I can hear the garage door opening, so I've left it here. Okay, so it's in the box here. And he's gonna walk in from here and we'll see what he thinks. Let's see his reaction. Obviously I can't get his face, but you know, let's see. Can hear him coming in. Hi.
Hello. What's this?
That's for you.
Huh?
That's for you.
Why did you buy me?
It's happy early anniversary.
Oh.
Mwah.
Oh,
It's a surprise. No, that's not mine. That's yours. Come on.
This is different.
Yeah. Mrs. is thinking, what's going on? Hi, Mrs. She's doing her homework. Okay, let's...
When did you buy this?
I just bought it. Oh, no, I'll do it this way because the light's better. Okay.
You know I don't like handbags, right?
Well, we'll see. Okay, unbox it. Let's see your reaction. This is for, you know, I know it's a day before our anniversary, but I'm quite nervous about this because it's something really, really different. Bashar was saying it's really limited, it's really cool. Do you want to, where should you do it? We can just do it on the floor.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
You got to be honest.
I'm sure I love it.
Okay. All right, go.
Oh, it's definitely clothes. It's not a scarf. It's not shoes.
Maybe it might be shoes.
No, you can tell. I can feel it.
Okay, why don't you just open it?
I'm used to you doing the unboxings, not me.
Ready? I'm trying not to get your face. Like, oops, I got your lip.
Okay, all right.
Okay, go. Unboxing.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, no, I'm really nervous about this.
What is it?
You're right. It's a hanger.
Oh, okay. That's just the Tosco.
Here it is.
I think I have to try it on. I'm not sure.
It's okay. Let me just show everyone. Okay, so do you want to open it up? Okay, guys. This is a limited edition teddy jacket. I saw one in black and white and I loved it, but it sold out so quickly. And then Shah told me about this one. It's unisex, but this was the last one left. I've never seen it before. It's a little bit more, okay, it's not low-key, but it's more subtle than the black one. If I find a picture of the black one, I'll put it here. And yeah, I just thought it was really limited and I don't know, I don't know. It's blue, navy blue is your favorite color.
It is.
Look, you're wearing blue.
I am.
You don't like it, I can tell.
No, I appreciate the effort. I'm not sure. I'm not good with logos and stuff.
Okay, can you try it on? Can I film you? Maybe just wear your mask or something and then maybe I can film you.
Do you want to film me wearing it?
Yeah, can you? Oh, and you can put your sunglasses on.
Oh, okay. You want to film me wearing it?
Yeah, can I just try it? See it's too big or not?
Okay. I appreciate the effort though. But I'm just not sure because I'm not...
I just thought, you know, it's after so long.
wear stuff like this.
I know, but
I'll try it.
after so many years, I've got to like change things up a bit.
This might be a bit extreme though. Anyway, I'll go get my mask and I'm going to try it on.
Okay.
Just what I say.
Okay, initial reactions. He hates it. I reckon he hates it. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? This teddy jacket, usually with, look, LV ready to wear is always really expensive, but this was okay price for LV ready to wear. Okay, hubby's got his mask on. Yeah. Okay. When you want to try it? Here, I hope it fits. Apparently it's supposed to be oversized, so I don't know. Why don't you try it?
Oh wow. Okay, I'll give you this. It's really warm.
Okay.
It's really, really warm.
Okay, I'm gonna pan up to you now, okay?
That's fine. I've got my sunglasses on. Okay, I can't tell what it looks like. I have a mirror. It feels warm.
It looks quite nice.
It feels like the right size. I feel like a grizzly bear though.
Oh my
Like
gosh.
a blue grizzly bear with LV all over me.
No.
Do I look like an LV bear?
Miss S, what do you think? Come here, darling. I think it looks quite nice.
Yeah, you stand over there and let me have a look.
What do you think? Honestly,
It looks okay.
Daddy's gonna have a look in the mirror.
let's go get Sunshine. I'll ask him.
So what do you think?
Okay, why don't
Okay.
you go have a look in the mirror? Oh, let's go to the mirror together. Let's go mirror together. We're just gonna go to the mirror and let's have a look. Okay, your first impressions. Please excuse the mess.
Ready?
Okay.
Um.
It looks quite nice. What do you think? That's a
my
no.
honest impression? I'm not sure.
So you hate it.
I appreciate it. Can I give you a kiss? I don't know if this is for me.
Zip it up. Let's have a look.
Oh wow, it's so warm.
It
How's the back look?
I actually quite like it. So this is the back.
I'm just not good with logos everywhere.
But it will be so warm and I actually quite like it. I wonder if I can get Sunshine to come out and have a look. I
I
can
feel like
hear.
I'm going skiing. Yeah?
Okay, I think you hate it.
I don't hate it.
You hate it.
It's not. I just don't think I'm not cool enough to pull it off.
No,
Yeah,
you're
you're
cool.
cool.
Look. It actually looks quite subtle.
Really? Because I can see LV everywhere.
Okay, so you hate it.
No, I don't hate it. I just don't love it.
He hates it.
I don't hate it. I don't hate it.
Oh, sorry. Excuse the boxes and everything. But is it better or worse than you think?
It's actually better than I thought. I thought, first of all, you bought me a grizzly bear, but when I put it on...
It looks better, right? Sometimes things don't have hanger appeal. Well, thank goodness for you, I have a backup present. So this is a fail.
I don't have to buy me anything else. It's fine.
Oh, so I've already got something. It's coming.
Okay. Well,
Is this a fail?
if you're asking me for one of these or one of these, it's one of these.
Oh no, it's a
Well,
epic
I know it's a
fail.
lot of effort to buy it too.
No, it's okay. Let's get Sunshine's opinion if you can. Sunshine, can you come out here for a sec? First impressions of this for Daddy. Try it on.
I'm trying to... I thought he was going to try it.
Oh. What do you think?
It's a nice piece. It just
Looks
doesn't
quite nice.
suit him.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's.
You try it. Just quickly.
No, I'm not trying it.
No, just quickly try it. Yeah, it's fine. Oh no, again, maybe you're not on the right.
It's okay. Just leave that over your pajamas. It's
Yeah,
fine.
it's fine.
No.
There you go.
Okay, guys, that was the very short video. That is the most I can get hubby on with his mask and his sunglasses, and he just got back from work. But I wanted to give you his genuine reaction. I think it was a fail, but I think at least appreciated the effort. I mean, not every single present can be right, but I do have something else. I think the next present he will actually love. But this one I did take a risk on. Personally, I like it. Tell me what you guys think. Put in the comments below. Was it a thumbs up or was it a thumbs down? But if you liked this really sort of impromptu vlog, oh, the sun, impromptu vlog and, you know, seeing hubby's reaction, please to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because a giveaway is coming soon. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.